What are the chances of getting heads when you flip a coin, or rolling a 6 on a die, or drawing an ace from a deck of cards? These questions all involve one powerful mathematical idea: probability. In this video, you'll learn what probability is, how to calculate it, and how to solve simple probability problems in just a few minutes. Let's begin. Probability measures how likely an event is to happen. The value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. A probability of 0 means the event can never happen. A probability of 1 means the event is guaranteed to happen. The closer the probability is to 1, the more likely the event is. The basic probability formula is simple. Probability equals the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. A favorable outcome is an outcome we want. The total outcomes are all possible results. Let's see it in action. When flipping a coin, there are only two possible outcomes: heads or tails. Suppose we want the probability of getting heads. There is one favorable outcome, heads, and there are two total outcomes. So the probability is 1 divided by 2. That means there is a 50% chance of getting heads. Now, let's roll a standard 6-sided die. What is the probability of rolling a 4? Only one face shows the number 4. So we have one favorable outcome and 6 total possible outcomes. The probability of rolling a 4 is 1/6, or about 16.7%. Sometimes it's easier to calculate the probability that something does not happen. This is called the complement of an event. A standard deck contains 52 cards. Among them are 4 kings. What is the probability of drawing a king? The probability is 4 divided by 52, which simplifies to 1 divided by 13. That's about 7.7%. For example, if there's a 30% chance of rain today, then the probability that it won't rain is 70%. Simply subtract from 100%. Let's test your knowledge. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. What is the probability of picking a blue ball? Pause the video and calculate your answer. There are 3 favorable outcomes and 8 total outcomes, so the probability is 3 divided by 8. Great job if you got it right. Now we look into the 2 main types of probability: theoretical probability and experimental probability. Theoretical probability: prediction based on logic and assumptions. Mathematical models: no experiment needed. Experimental probability: real-world approximation based on observed results. Actual experiments or surveys. Data collection is required. As the number of trials increases, experimental probability tends to approach theoretical probability. A tree diagram is a visual representation used to list all possible outcomes of a multi-step experiment. A multi-step experiment involves a series of independent trials. For example, tossing a coin 2 times or rolling a dice 3 times are examples of multi-step experiments. Each branch of the tree represents a possible outcome, and branches split to show different paths for subsequent events. A tree diagram is useful for visualizing multi-step experiments where each path from start to end represents one complete outcome. Listing all outcomes of a sample space. Subscribe for more and leave a comment. Earn a free Blue Math Lab shirt.